Ladies and gentlemen, in today's video I'm gonna make something very interesting which probably is being done before or maybe not. In today's video I'm going to try the Shure Sm7b with the cheapest audio interface that you can buy on the planet. So this is the Behringer UMC22 without cloud lifter. So this is gonna be interesting to see, I believe. If you think this is gonna be interesting, so smash the like button, and I'm surprised as well. I never tried this before, and it's gonna be interesting. So yeah, let's do that. Man, this microphone is very heavy. Classic Shure Sm7b with cheap Behringer audio interface without cloud lifter. Yeah, my friends, this is gonna be fun. So where is the cables? So let's connect that now. I don't know if I'm wrong, but the dB, the power of the audio interface is around 45 dB of gain. And what I'm doing, I don't know what I'm doing. And we'll see if this is gonna run now. Okay, click. And now let's connect it. Let's connect it. The audio you're listening right now is from my camera. It's connected to a Rode Micro. You know, the cheap microphone from Rode. Let me see if the 48 phantom power is off, because this is not gonna work. And now let's see if this actually is gonna work, because I'm a little bit skeptical, if I'm honest with you. Let's see if this is connected. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm very excited actually. Let's go to sound. Yeah, now it's connected to sound. Let's go to Audacity. And in the minute, I'm going to switch to Shure Sm7b. Let me see the volume. The volume is max. Let me put my headphones, just a second. Yeah, left and right. Alright, so, wow. Okay, are you ready to listen the Shure Sm7b with the cheapest audio interface? Let's do that now. Ladies and gentlemen, you listening the Shure Sm7b connected to UMC22 from Behringer. Okay, I can hear some hiss and some background noise, but the volume is maxed out. And you know what? Actually, we have a pretty decent levels on Audacity. So we have -12, which is the best spot to be. So let me move a little bit. I'm very excited, by the way. So yeah, Shure Sm7b connected to UMC22. Let me show you, because I don't. So as you can see, this is connected, as you can see, and we have pretty decent levels. I don't know if you can see on the computer. Pretty decent levels there. But anyway, let me know, what do you think, guys? I mean, this is the Shure Sm7b connected to UMC22. Oh my god, this is crazy. And actually this runs pretty decent. Looks like this is nice. I don't clip for some reason, but the more important is just to see how is the sound quality. And I'm pretty close to the microphone, so let's go on the top of the microphone just to check this proximity effect. And we're a little bit clipping, but yeah, wow, I'm blown away. Actually, I'm blown away. Make sure to subscribe, because I will do another interesting video. What I'm gonna do in my next video is I'm going to try this audio interface with a cloud lifter. Well, not cloud lifter, but a mic activator. So make sure to subscribe to see that. Man, this is crazy. Cheapest audio interface with $399. One of the most popular microphones. This is I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. So this thing is popular for a reason. But you are the judge. You are the judge. You let me know, what do you think? If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. But man, I'm blown away. I'm blown away actually. This thing costs 40 British pounds here in UK. Yeah, a couple of years ago was like 1 year ago was a little bit cheaper. But yeah, definitely is worth it. If you have any questions, guys, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. And I'm speechless. I'll see you in the next video.